For centuries, the deep ocean has hidden its secrets, but today, we uncover one of the most mysterious, the place where octopuses end their lives. Join us as we dive into the world's largest known aggregation of octopuses, the octopus garden, and reveal the extraordinary life cycle of these incredible creatures. Welcome to the Octopus Garden, the largest known gathering of octopuses on the planet. Nestled about 2 miles below the ocean surface along the coast of Central California, this natural wonder has captivated scientists and the public alike since its discovery in 2018. But what makes this place so special? Thousands of octopuses gather here for one reason: to create the next generation. These are Moose octopus robustus, deep-sea octopuses that migrate to this garden solely for mating and nesting. When researchers first stumbled upon this octopus nursery, they were shocked. Thousands of octopuses, all in one spot, many in peculiar positions, with their limbs twisted around their bodies. It took years of investigation to piece together what was happening here. The octopuses in this garden are primarily adult males and females ready to reproduce. The females, in particular, contort themselves into defensive postures, covering their eggs with their bodies to protect them from predators. These octopuses have chosen a unique location for their nursery. The garden sits atop hydrothermal vents, where warm water seeps through volcanic rocks, heating the surrounding area to a toasty 52 degrees Fahrenheit. This warmth is crucial, significantly reducing the incubation period for octopus eggs from the usual 5 to 10 years down to just 2 years. Researchers were amazed to discover that the warmth from these vents boosts the metabolism of both the mother octopuses and their offspring. This accelerated development is vital, as the deep sea environment is filled with dangers, from predators to food scarcity. Living alongside nesting females is a diverse community of invertebrates, eagerly awaiting unhatched eggs and vulnerable hatchlings. It's a constant battle for survival at the bottom of the sea. Throughout the incubation period, female octopuses sustain themselves using reserves from their own tissues, as they do not hunt or eat. The shorter incubation period, thanks to the hydrothermal vents, gives these mothers a better chance to protect their offspring until they hatch. The octopus garden in California is the largest of its kind ever discovered. However, it's not the only one. Similar nurseries have been found off the coast of Costa Rica and near Vancouver Island in Canada. These locations share one thing in common. They all have thermal springs that provide the necessary warmth for rapid egg development. As the baby octopuses hatch, they leave the garden to survive and grow elsewhere. The mothers, having fulfilled their purpose, meet their end, creating a feast for scavengers in the deep sea. This cycle of life and death sustains a thriving ecosystem. Scavengers, like giant grenadiers, sea anemones, and various invertebrates, depend on the deceased octopuses for food. The garden offers 72% more food for scavengers compared to the surrounding waters. In similar rocky underwater areas, the animal population is less varied and less dense. The octopus garden, with its abundance of life and death, creates a unique and vibrant ecosystem. Protecting these incredible environments is crucial. The Davidson Seamount, home to the octopus garden, is part of the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. Strict regulations help preserve this vital habitat from threats like climate change, fishing, and mining. Effective protection requires careful study of the garden. Scientists are continually working to uncover the many mysteries of these deep-sea nurseries. From understanding the migration patterns of octopuses to discovering how they locate these thermal springs, there's still much to learn. Advanced technology plays a significant role in these studies. Researchers use underwater cameras and remote-operated vehicles to capture detailed images and videos of the octopus garden. These tools allow scientists to monitor the octopus's behavior, track their movements, and study the environmental conditions of the nursery. By setting up cameras at the bottom of the ocean, researchers can observe the octopuses over extended periods. They document how the females care for their eggs, how the eggs develop, and how the newly hatched octopuses venture out into the ocean. This long-term observation is crucial for understanding the full life cycle of these fascinating creatures. Back on land, scientists analyze the collected data, identifying individual octopuses by their unique scars and physical characteristics. This information helps researchers estimate the population size, understand the dynamics of the octopus garden, and identify any changes or threats to the ecosystem. The discovery of the octopus garden has also led to important conservation efforts. By designating areas like the Davidson Seamount as marine protected areas, we can safeguard these unique habitats from human activities that could cause harm. This includes restrictions on fishing, mining, and other extractive activities that could disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Marine sanctuaries not only protect the octopuses, but also preserve the entire ecosystem that relies on them. This includes the scavengers that feed on the dead octopuses, the invertebrates that share the habitat, and the larger predators that depend on a healthy and diverse ocean environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the depths of the ocean. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories from the deep sea and beyond. Remember, the ocean is a vast and mysterious place, and there's always more to discover. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.